This is Venezuela, a country that has suffered one of the greatest economic and humanitarian crises in modern history.
Venezuela's once thriving middle class is now trapped in desperation.
The economy is going into a spiral of dysfunctionality.
Venezuela has, today, the highest inflation in the world.
Venezuelans today cannot eat. You see people eating from the garbage.
Hospitals that have massive deaths of newborns, and there is no access to medication.
Venezuela is gripped by crisis.
The United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization has warned that Venezuela may be on the brink of famine.
We're importing to medicines, we're importing clothes, we're importing cars, we're importing everything.
It started with Hugo Chavez, the self-styled revolutionary, and it continues today with his chosen successor, President Nicolás Maduro. The political opposition has been crushed. Media are censored or controlled by the state.
The army, police, even the courts had come under his direct political control. Chavez destroyed the market economy, leaving the country entirely dependent on oil.
The result is a hunger crisis. More than 3 million Venezuelans have fled the country.
$15,000 people were injured, 6,000 people were put in prison. It was a repression of a scale that the country had never seen.